Okay, what I got here today for y'all is the cordless impact wrench, and this one is the 20 volt and it takes all DeWalt style batteries. It's a 516 foot-pounds, which is 700 Newton meters. That's a lot of power out of one this small. It's a 1/2 inch drive. It's 3-speed variable, 3,200 RPMs, built-in ring light. Let me just show you how this thing works right here. So here's the little set of instructions, but pretty much you just put a socket on there and you pull the trigger. A socket and a battery and you pull the trigger. Check this out. I've already used it a couple of times. Here's the overall look of the drive. You can see right there the adjustment. I'm using the DeWalt 20 volt 5 amp hour battery. Wow, listen to that torque. You guys see that LED right there? Okay, let me show you some of the adjustments on this thing. So it's in mode 3 right now. Hit it once. This is mode 1. Trigger's wide open. You can definitely hear a difference in it. Mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. That's full power. And there's the 3 speeds adjustment right here. There is a reverse, so you got to reverse. Oh, that now it's on this stop lock. Watch this. So now check that out. It's just like a quick one. So let's take the impact sockets over here, and it needs to be 1/4 inch impact sockets. Let's take it over here to my car. Now this has the hole that runs through it. If you want, you can run that pin all the way through, but I don't really need it. Check that out, everybody. Took that off like it was nothing. Let me show you how easy. I'm not going to take this off because it's not jacked up. I'm just showing y'all this for the purpose of this video. Now let's go down into, let's go to 1. That's tight. Let's go off. Yeah, I don't see any problems with this thing at all. If it'll take it off, these haven't been off in a while. That works out great, everybody. I don't see any issues with this little impact driver at all. And it's very lightweight. This thing, like by itself, I think it's a little over 2 pounds. You add the big battery and like a 1/2 inch socket to it, it's gonna have a little bit of weight to it, but this thing feels great in the hand. Look at that. Good spinning power, 700 Newton meters of power out of this little drive right here. Yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that just needs a basic style drive that's a DeWalt style, but without the DeWalt price. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the 516 pound impact driver. See y'all in the next video.